Hello again. So I'm here in Mount Pocono today. What a beautiful place, very nice neighborhood. And my customers, they already have a couple people come to show them windows, and they were expecting another pushy salesperson coming in their house. And they told me they were really amazed that that's not what they got. Uh, we were able to help them with a discount and beat everybody's pricing on a better and higher energy efficient window with a better guarantee. And they helped us with the prime property program, gave me some referrals, did the Google reviews and Better Business Bureau reviews, and we're able to help them and do the windows on their house. And I want to thank them for their business. And enjoy the rest of the day, everybody. And anybody's looking for some windows without pressure, salespeople, please call us and ask for Elias. Thank you so much.